T'as-tu des belles bottes, Tommy? Aimes-tu tes petites bottes? Okay, I think you know what you did. It's time to come out of timeout. Yeah, so I definitely did not forget to swap my needles for this and started to knit way too tight the color work. So it's definitely the knitting's fault, not mine at all. Yeah, so I've been pissed at myself for a little while, and now I want to get back to this. So let's frog the start of the sleeves and start over. At least I was not too far in. So yeah, that's why the last video of this sweater was never posted. It's because it was in timeout. Oh, why was there some red snip here? Oh, because okay, I see. We're back to where we were. The color work part of the cuff is almost done, and we're slowly gonna go into the mindless knitting of the endless red sea of stitches. Let's keep going. All right, we got our sleeves done. I hope I didn't hit my mic. We got the sleeves done, and yeah, there's some awkward stuff happening on them, but we'll just go along because at that point there's some awkward stuff happening on all of this project. So let's just chug along. So the next step is to fix them on our body and then start on the yoke, which is the last part of the project. And at some point in that yoke, we'll run out of white wool, so we'll have some spinning to do. Yeah. This project is not done yet. But for now, one step at a time. Next step is to knit those two together so they become one. And it's gonna start to look like something else than two, well, three, because those are two sleeves. It's gonna look more like a sweater and less like 3 cylinders. All right, let's do it. Look at this. We're now done with the red because we were playing Poppin' Chicken with this is all I have left of red. The only downside of this is we're not entirely done with the red because if you look, like we're right here right now, and if you look up here, there's like, I think these are 3 rows and then 2 more rows here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. but this is clearly not enough for like 4 to 5 rows. This is maybe enough for like 1 row and not even. So I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. At least like since it's gonna be like so far out of like, it's gonna be like here-ish. It's not gonna be directly against the red. Oh, hello. You're coming to supervise my work? It's your new bed now. All right. Well, sorry to disappoint. I'm gonna go back to knitting in a few minutes, madam. I'm gonna go back to knitting in a few minutes. Oh, yes. Oh, that's a hard life. So what I'm thinking is I'll try to replicate this red as best as I can. But since it's not gonna be directly against the rest of all the red, and it's gonna be like in very short bits, it shouldn't look too bad if it's not exactly the proper red. But yeah, let's start on the yoke now, which is mainly white and blue. We're doing these little stags on it, which should be really, really cute. Yeah, this is starting to look like a sweater. We got sleeves, we got half a yoke, about half a yoke maybe. I've started on the creases. I think I did 2 sets of them or something like that. But yeah, the creases are started. And yeah, this is what I have left of white. So this is why this is the end of the video. I will have to spin a bunch more white because I still have a good maybe this much of a sweater to make. So this is not gonna cut it. Unlike my red, which I still have a little ball, which I hope it's enough for, I counted it's 4 rows. And since the rows will have been decreased at that point by quite a lot, in quotation mark, because I don't know exactly how much, there's a chance that it's enough. So I'm crossing my fingers, I'm crossing my toes. Please do on your side as well to wish me luck. But yeah, so far so good though. I really like the yoke. Let me just adjust my needles so I don't lose any stitches. But yeah, we got our little deer heads here. I'll get closer so you can see them better. You can see the little deer heads are starting to come along. I started on the antlers now, so there's like, oh yeah, here they are. You got the tiny ears and the little head. It's really cute. And it's a bit messy right now because it's not blocked. But my socks used to look that messy too. And then they like, the tension evened out, I guess I could say. And now it's like more easy to see. So I'm hoping this sweater does the same thing. But yeah, for this week, this is where we're gonna stop. Hopefully we'll be able to finish it next week, hopefully, because this has been a year-long project by now. And but I'm happy of where I am now with this one, Because at some point I was really, not sad, what's the word? Not depressed either, that's way too much. Disappointed. I was disappointed with this project, mostly because I kept, like you've seen at the start of the video, like even now the sleeves are a bit wonky. Like this is way too tight, and then it goes like on both sides. So I don't know what it's gonna look like at the end. But at this point, I'm tired. I'm too tired to start over, and I'm way too far to start over as well. So I'm just gonna knit it till the end and deal with it. And yeah, since it's gonna be like a ski sweater or like outdoorsy sweater, I don't care as much as if it was like a more like fashion for an event kind of thing. This is gonna be me in the woods, so I don't care. And the deers won't care either because they're gonna be munching on leaves. So, so yeah. And I forgot how soft Shetland was, because if you remember, this is all made of Shetland. Well, most of it is made of Shetland, because I then ran out of white floof at some point and started spinning some corriedale. And also the end will also be spun in corriedale, because that's all the white floof I have for this project left. So it's not going to be as soft as the main body is. And then the very neck part, I forgot what I mixed it with, but it was alpaca and something else. It might have been alpaca and corriedale, but there's alpaca for the neck, so that's gonna be super luxurious. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this update video on the Scandinavian sweater. I hope you didn't lose any hopes that I would finish it, because I am finishing it, as you can see. And yeah, if you like this video, you can check other knitting videos here, and you could leave a like and subscribe. And if you want some behind the scene pictures and videos, you can become a member. You can click the join button below, I think next to the subscribe button, somewhere around there, and become a member of this channel. And you have your name in my videos as well. But yeah, as for me, for now, I will go edit my video because it's coming out tomorrow. Am I last minute again? No, of course not. So I will wish you a good night, and I will see you next time. Well, a good afternoon, because it comes out at noon. So have a good afternoon. I'm gonna edit this. Have a good afternoon. I'm gonna edit this video now. Blah. So have a good afternoon, and I will be editing this video now, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.